What is up, everyone? Eddie Vongse here, and I am back with another video for you all today. I got something special for y'all. Something amazing, tender, juicy, flavorful, sweet, spicy. You already know what it is. Look at the visuals. Nice smoke barbecue ribs cooked on top of a bed of charcoal and wood for maximum smoke and flavor. I'm gonna show you how to do this today. Let's get right into it. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and click the notification bell for future videos. Here we go. So here I have a whole rack of ribs that I am going to be cutting into pieces. Next up, we're going to be making the sauce, the rub, the creme de la creme. Starting off with a tablespoon of sesame seed oil, 4 tablespoons of sugar. We're going to make this real sweet, but not too sweet, just right. Maybe just a little bit more. There you go. 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Now we're going to spice things up by adding 1 tablespoon of paprika. 4 tablespoons of oyster sauce to give it that salty taste. So now you got your sweet, your spicy, and your saltiness. Combine all that together and you will have one amazing tasting rack of ribs. Believe me. Just believe me. Now we're going to add the ribs into the marinade. Oh yeah, can't let that go to waste. Just throw all that in there. You can also use this marinade for any other types of meat, by the way. You can put in chicken thigh, chicken breast, pork chops. The longer you let it sit, the more flavorful it will become. You will thank me later, I promise you. Give that a good mix and let it rest, or you can cook it right away. Alright, so on to the barbecue pit. So here I have just a little tiny mini grill, just enough to cook outside, nothing crazy for video purposes. But as you can see here, I'm going to show you a little trick I learned to get your charcoal going. So here I have is 2 pieces of napkin. Rub oil all over it, doesn't matter what type. Place it on the grill. Put the charcoals all on top, or the wood, or whatever it is that you're trying to burn. And I leave the 4 corners exposed. You will light the 4 corners and it will slowly burn. Doing this allows time for the charcoal to light up. As the napkins start burning towards the center, you can see we have a nice little flame going. Underneath the charcoals has nice embers and should be ready to go in a little bit. I'm simply using a paper plate to fan the grill just to get the fire going really good. So what I'm looking for is a nice ember so we can cook the meat on the embers, not the flame. If you just listen to the meat sizzle on top of the grill, it sounds so satisfying.
Oh, that looks good.
So I would like to take this time to thank each and every one of you for tuning into this channel. I appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I would highly recommend you do so. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up and show some love. I appreciate all the love that I can get. And yeah, most definitely, give this recipe a try. Share it with your friends and family. Let me know how it turns out. I would love to hear about it. But for right now, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the sights and sounds of this video. Until next time, much peace and love.